Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, we have one of the biggest surprises I've driven so far, the 2014 Porsche 911 Turbo S. Now, just looked it up, it's claiming to only make 560 horsepower, but it feels miles faster than that. You have the all-wheel drive system to propel you out of corners, and it's just absolutely insane. Carbon fiber trim, of course. Here is your key. Twin turbo flat 6. Go ahead, pop the frunk. Good amount of room in here. See what we can see back here. Not a lot. You have the 3.8 liter flat 6, of course, twin turbo. What a car. Furmeister sound system. Oh, what a car, guys. Oh, what a car. Alright, now it's started. Put this down, pop out your cup holders, like so. Glove box, sun visor. Oh, looks like it has a sunroof, but I just don't know how to open it. Actually, it might. I don't think it does. All the controls for it would be there. Oh, idiot. Got Porsche embedded up on the headrest. But without further ado, let's take this thing out on the road. Now, I've driven the 720S. Actually, a few times. That's going to annoy me. Driven the 720S a few times, actually. This feels faster than that car. And from a launch, it's pretty close. PDCC is on. Go sport mode. Sport Plus is just a little bit insane. That extends, so if you look in the rearview mirror, there you go, you can extend the spoiler. There we go. Alright, it's in drive. Do have a backup camera. It's in drive. Let's take this thing out for a drive. Of course, you have Porsche's PDK, Porsche double transmission. It means something in German. It does mean Porsche double clutch or dual clutch transmission. This is fitted with Porsche carbon ceramic brakes, something like an $8,000 option. This one's very highly optioned. I don't have the original sticker on me, but it was definitely close to or even a little bit north of $200,000. Sport Plus, I want those to stay where they're at. I still thoroughly think PDK is the best automatic out there. I don't think you guys are ready for this. Oh, it hurts. It's not a pleasant feeling. Well, no, it is, but it is painfully fast. Who's gonna go? I'll go. You can absolutely hear the turbos behind you. Ow! It hurts, man. This is not making 560 horsepower. There is no way this is making 560. This one is a pre-owned example, obviously. 29,977 miles on it. There we go. Sport Plus here is illuminated. Launch control is on that side. Won't be doing that today. The way this thing rockets out of corners is just absolutely insane. Now, I've driven the GT3 a couple times, including the GT3 RS. This is not like that car at all. The way this car delivers power, it's just all at once. It's not linear like the GT3 RS. It is just a huge punch in the back at all times. It's a beast. I can't say it isn't. It is an absolute beast of a car. There is no doubt about it. But I can't believe I do this for a living. You know, this car has been on my to-drive list for so long. I've driven the 993 Turbo, 996 Turbo, 997 Turbo, now the 991 Turbo S. So now I just got to drive the 992, and then we'll be set. Here we go. Oh, what? I gotta do another one. So, 911 Turbo S was the top of the line, well, the GT3. Now, they have the GT2 RS, which is even faster than this by some figment of my imagination. There's no way this makes 560 horsepower. Maybe to the wheels, but I've been driving cars with 500 horsepower all day, and this does not feel on that level. It feels way, way faster. That's 60. What on earth? You can hear it suck in. Oh. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.